To clean the maintenance parts, the first thing you need to do is make sure that the media is unloaded. Once that is done, click the maintenance button, cleaning the maintenance parts, around the head, and start. To prepare for cleaning, we want to make sure we have gloves on for safety purposes. If you click on how to, it'll step you through the process that is involved. So the first thing is opening the doors. Once that is done, you are going to need to clean the area you see here with a damp cloth. We're going to take a dampened, lint-free cloth, wipe off the area here in the platen because there's any extra ink buildup. Take a second cloth, go in and dry off before you finish. We are going to take our cleaning solution. We're going to take our cleaning swab, dip it into the solution. I'm going to get in the front side and the back side. Then I'm following it through with a squeegeeing just to make sure that I don't have anything that would be dripping. Then we are actually going to go in and clean on the inside of the printer. You will see on the inside that there is a set of stainless rails. Make sure that you do not wipe those off and clean those. Those are lubricated from the factory. Then we need to proceed and clean in the areas that are shown and making sure that you do not clean the bottom of the print head itself. Clean around the print head, ensuring not to touch the nozzle plate where the nozzles are located, and then go ahead and clean the near section. The next step is cleaning around the print head, to reiterate, not on the surface of the print head. Then you're going to clean around the area of the second area, as shown. If liquid drops, press it gently with a soft cloth to absorb. And the final step, close the covers, close, done, and then the home button.